So, the rule of knitting a stitch, let me get this up here, is to always knit into the front leg of your knit stitch. So if each of these parts of the stitch over the needle that come down, we consider those legs. You can see when I look at this stitch that this one is in front of that stitch. This is actually the front side facing me, and this is my back side leg, but it is angled so that it's towards the front, which means for my stitches to lay properly, I need to knit what's called through the back loop. Instead of knitting from the front to the back as we normally do, we're going to knit, just go straight through to that back loop to knit that stitch, because that stitch was twisted. Now this next one, it is not. When we examine it here, it's the leg facing me is angled towards the front, towards the right, and the back stitch is angled towards the left. So we can knit this stitch as normal.